Stop by and take a look at the 2020 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, trailer brake controller, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, power sliding rear window, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, push button start, adjustable pedals, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.